Every year on 5th of December, homage paying ceremony is organized to pay respect and honor to Kajir Ronghangpi at Kajir Ronghangpi Memorial Park, Kohara, from which the name Kajiranga National Park came into existence. Homage paying ceremony was organized by the Department of Art and Culture, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The ceremony was chaired by Kajir Ronghangpi EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in presence of Dr. Kajir Ronghangpi CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Darsing Ronghang MLA, Horen Singh Be MP, Richard Tokbi EM, Lun Singh Teron EM, EMs, MAC and various dignitaries of the region. Prize distribution ceremony to the children was also conducting amidst the homage paying ceremony, followed by deliberations to the attachment with flora and fauna, life and works of Kajir Ronghangpi from the guests and participants. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while addressing his speech, informed that the work order for the construction of Kajir Ronghangpi guest house was issued years ago, but the construction work had to be suspended due to the nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19 outbreak in the between. Directed Richard Tokbi EM and Kajir Ronghangpi EM to terminate the assignment with the former contractor and hand over the contract to someone else. It is expected to be completed by the following years of homage paying ceremony.
Lasino lokal ni silo EM lo Richard Tok biakai ban pulo. La benda EM pulo sarotaro ban pulo la so contractor ban cancel si. Nona no kapret ban pipen muni ka talon dia pran la ke thomas sain den ta tang et nangji tu sinili EM bahini to ban ni pulo. Muni nge ban kita Kajir Ronghangpi laso katalom laso kapet he ban Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Society Ponpo Buzi dan Provider Kar Sabar Bajing.
Bikram Teron's report for Karbi Anglong Live.